my friends, I'm Kathleen Hansen and you found my Vocal Warmups with Kathleen YouTube channel. This is Sven, one of my studio cats. This week, we're doing 1 week of daily vocal warm-ups for you. Let's get to it. Take a moment to check in with your alignment and your breathing. Release any tension you don't need. Let's take a low, full breath in and sigh out. For our first vocal warm-up, let's sing the following pattern on a v, like v, and go. This next vocal exercise is great for onset coordination as well as vocal efficiency. We will sing on an E, like E, 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 E. Here we go. E, 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 E. E, 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 E. E, E. Moving on now to a lip trill or bubble. Let's sing. Here we go. Moving now to a descending pentascale. Let's sing on Sulu Su, like Sulu Sulu Su. Your turn. Sulu Sulu Su. 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 This next vocal exercise is great for encouraging a neutral and flexible larynx, as well as great breath onset coordination. We're going to sing on g, 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 like g, 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 and go. G, 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 g. Now let's relax downward with a on to a ming, 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 ming. This will work on good vocal fold closure and have some presence and ping in the sound. Here we go. Ming, 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 ming. 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 Bringing a sense of focus into resonance, now let's sing on hng-ah, like hng-ah, and hng-ah, hng-ah, This next exercise will move us down into our low range. We're going to sing on zooey ooey, like zooey ooey 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 ooey, and go zooey ooey 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 ooey, 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 zooey ooey 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 ooey. Zooey ooey 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 ooey, zooey ooey 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 ooey, continue now with some major triad arpeggios. We will sing on va, and we can double it up like va, 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 va. Here we go. Va, 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 va. Va, 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 va. Va, 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 va. This next exercise encourages lift and balanced resonance. We're going to sing on flah, flah, ningee, ningee twice, like flah, flah, ningee, ningee, flah, flah, ningee, ningee, nee, and go. Flah, flah, ningee, ningee, flah, flah, ningee, ningee, nee. Flah, flah, ningee, ningee, flah, flah, ningee, ningee, nee. Flah, flah, ningee, ningee, flah, flah, ningee, ningee, nee. Flah, flah, ningee, ningee, flah, flah, ningee, ningee, nee. Flah, flah, ningee, ningee, flah, flah, ningee, ningee, nee. Flah, flah, ningee, ningee, flah, flah, ningee, ningee, nee. Flah, flah, ningee, ningee, flah, flah, ningee, ningee, nee. Flah, flah, ningee, ningee, flah, flah, ningee, ningee, nee. Flah, flah, ningee, ningee, flah, flah, ningee, ningee, nee. Flah, flah, ningee, ningee, flah, flah, ningee, ningee, nee. Flah, flah, ningee, ningee, flah, flah, ningee, ningee, nee. Let's finish up today with how cool am I? How cool am I? Make sure to use a supported puff of air on that cool so we can propel the sound into our high range with ease. Here we go. How cool am I? 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 Great job! Thank you so much for singing with me today. When you like my videos, when you comment, when you subscribe, it really helps my videos reach more people. And couldn't we all use just a little bit more singing? I hope you'll make a commitment to tomorrow's warm-up as well, and I will see you next time. Let's get to it.